Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, your digital pit stop for high-end luxury, automotive innovation, and futuristic design. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a vehicle that doesn't just set the standard for luxury sedans, it rewrites the entire playbook. If you thought you knew what comfort, technology, and refinement felt like, Mercedes is here to remind you that true luxury evolves with time, and the S-Class leads that evolution, every single time. From the moment you approach the 2026 S-Class, it speaks to you without saying a word. The design language is timeless yet incredibly modern. It wears a glossy black coat that doesn't just reflect light, it absorbs attention. Sleek contours, chrome elements that have been tastefully restrained, and a bold yet graceful grille all combine to create a car that doesn't shout wealth, it whispers power. The new LED lighting signature at both front and rear elevates its presence, especially with animated welcome sequences that greet you as you unlock the doors. It's artful, deliberate, and undeniably Mercedes. The proportions have been subtly refined. The car sits slightly wider and longer than before, yet it maintains a graceful silhouette. The long hood, short overhangs, and sweeping roofline give it that elegant, gliding forward, stance even while it's parked. With 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, the side profile becomes an essay in balance and poise. The door handles are now flush-mounted and pop out only when needed, contributing to the clean, aerodynamic bodywork. Even the mirrors, which are often overlooked in design conversations, are crafted to merge form and function with absolute precision. Step inside, and it's like walking into a luxury penthouse on wheels. The 2026 S-Class interior takes inspiration from modern architecture and haute couture. The first thing that hits you is the ambient lighting, not just a strip or two, but a carefully orchestrated array of light embedded into the dash, doors, footwells, and even the seat contours. It's not just there for effect, it adapts to drive modes, mood settings, and even reacts to climate control adjustments and voice inputs. It feels alive. The seats, draped in premium white leather with contrast stitching, are sculpted to be more than just chairs. They're therapeutic cocoons, offering massage functions with hot stone effects, active bolsters, and cooling heating zones that respond to your individual body temperature. Every surface you touch, from the high-gloss black console to the cold, machined aluminum speaker grills, exudes quality and attention to detail. The panoramic sunroof spans nearly the entire ceiling and now comes with electronically controlled transparency, allowing you to choose between full view, partial tint, or complete blackout. In terms of technology, the 2026 S-Class is nothing short of a spaceship. The centerpiece is the massive OLED touchscreen that floats from the center console, seamlessly integrated into the dash. It's responsive, vibrant, and filled with Mercedes' next-gen MBUX interface, which now understands natural speech patterns more fluently and allows deeper customization than ever before. You can say things like, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," and the system will raise the temperature only on your side, adjust seat heating, and dim the ambient light to a warmer tone. It's more than voice recognition, it's intuitive communication. Behind the steering wheel lies a fully digital 3D instrument cluster that displays navigation, performance data, and driver alerts in stunning clarity. You can toggle between multiple views, classic gauges, futuristic HUD-style overlays, or even a minimalist Zen display. The augmented reality heads-up display projects navigation arrows directly onto the windshield as if they were floating on the road itself, enhancing driver confidence and clarity during complex urban drives. And then there's the sound system, a Burmester 4D surround audio suite that turns the cabin into a concert hall. With vibration actuators in the seats and speakers placed with surgical precision, you don't just hear your music, you feel it. From crisp highs to chest-thumping lows, it's a sonic experience engineered to perfection. Rear seat luxury has also been amplified. Long wheelbase variants offer reclining seats, a center console with touchscreen control tablets, fold-out tables, and even a refrigerated compartment. Executive passengers get access to the same infotainment ecosystem as the driver, complete with noise-canceling headrests and sunshades that rise with a single voice command. This car doesn't just chauffeur its occupants, it pampers them. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class delivers refined performance with multiple drivetrain options. A turbocharged inline-6 and twin-turbo V8 return, now mated with a refined mild hybrid EQ boost system that adds power and efficiency without compromise. The V8 variant produces north of 500 horsepower, effortlessly propelling the sedan from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 4 seconds. Yet it does so with a whisper, not a roar. The 48V system supports active suspension tuning, torque vectoring, and even predictive ride control using road scanning cameras that prepare the suspension for upcoming imperfections. It feels less like driving and more like floating. And yes, there's also a fully electric S-Class variant under the EQS badge, but the traditional S-Class keeps the combustion spirit alive for those who value the visceral pleasure of a fine-tuned powertrain. The ride remains absolutely composed even at high speeds, while cornering is surprisingly agile thanks to rear-wheel steering that makes this long sedan feel much smaller in tight city turns. Safety and driver assistance continue to be world-class. The 2026 model debuts Mercedes Level 3 autonomous capabilities in select markets, allowing the car to drive itself in certain highway conditions while you legally take your hands off the wheel. It monitors surroundings with a fusion of radar, lidar, and AI-powered sensors. In emergency scenarios, the car can perform evasive maneuvers or alert nearby vehicles via V2V, vehicle-to-vehicle communication. It's not just about protecting you, it's about enhancing the entire traffic ecosystem. Mercedes has also focused heavily on sustainability, using recycled materials, vegan leather options, and eco-certified woods throughout the cabin. The factory that produces the S-Class now runs primarily on renewable energy, further cementing the model's position not just as a luxury icon, but as a forward-thinking technological leader. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is not just an update. It's a statement. It tells the world that luxury isn't about being flashy, it's about being thoughtful, effortless, and ahead of its time. Every corner, every sensor, every sound and stitch in this car is built for one thing: to redefine your expectations of what a flagship sedan should be. And just like that, Mercedes has done it again. They've taken what was already considered the pinnacle of luxury and pushed it further, making the 2026 S-Class a masterpiece of emotion, intelligence, and craftsmanship. This is more than a car. It's an experience, a sanctuary, and a symbol of everything the brand stands for. Thanks for riding along with us on this luxurious journey. This was Auto Speed's Vibes, and we'll catch you next time with more high-end machines and future-forward drives that redefine the road ahead.